Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO F19, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen down, and then you want to do that once more just to get a expanded list of toggles. Now here you'll find a hotspot toggle. It's called personal hotspot more precisely, and once you see it you can hold it if you're doing this the first time around and then select more. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now for some reason it enabled it, so I'm going to turn it off, and we want to navigate to hotspot settings, and in here we're just gonna remove the password just because it is garbage by default. So it is randomly generated on every device and it's not an easy password to remember, so I do recommend removing it and setting up your own, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, it does not really matter. I'm going to be using just numbers. Now there's additional options which you can look into, like the AP band, which by default it will be set to 2.4. Now if your other device that you will be utilizing to connect to this hotspot with supports 5 GHz, I would recommend utilizing that instead because it will be a faster and more stable connection. Now that being said, 5 GHz won't be used by every device, and if your device does not support this, then it simply will not see the hotspot at all. So when you enable it and on the other device this Wi-Fi doesn't show up by the name that is listed right here, that means that said device does not support the 5 GHz connectivity, and all you would need to do is go back here and drop it back to 2.4, which at that point it should show up in your Wi-Fi list. Anyway, from there make sure you tap on a check mark just to save the settings, and then you can enable it in here. You also have this option right here to automatically turn off hotspot after 10 minutes of inactivity, which I recommend keeping on, just because hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So once you forget to turn it off and you're done with it, the device will do it for you, and it will also save you a little bit of battery in the process. So there we go. As you can see, now it's enabled. Now you can quickly enable it or disable it from your notifications. So go back to the toggle that you were holding previously, and this time around you can just simply tap on it whenever you want to toggle it on or off, like so. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.